The table is set for a dining experience you'd only get from Southeast Europe.
That's why we came here, to make a little better life and different life.
Mentor Jakupi's family moved to the United States in 1999 from Kosovo, where he spent most of his childhood in his grandmother's kitchen.
She used to have the restaurants over there, and I used to go over there in the kitchen whenever I was 9 years old and just keeping with her, and she showed me everything.
In 2011, he and his brothers opened Roma's Italian restaurant in Elk City, where they prepare many of their family's recipes.
We have like pastas, chicken dishes, veal, seafood, steaks, and dessert.
You can't go wrong with anything on the menu, but the favorites are the chicken Alfredo and the chicken Florentine.
The chicken Florentine, you have fresh garlic, mushrooms, spinach, and have a Alfredo sauce and touch of marinara and spaghetti on the side.
Everything here at Roma's is made from scratch, like this marinara sauce, an old family recipe of tomatoes and spices that they simmer for 3 to 4 hours.
It's just some of the most authentic Italian food that I think I've ever had. It's just yummy.
Like the Stromboli, a baked pizza pocket stuffed with meat and cheese, and their homemade pizza, an Italian-style thin crust with cheese and toppings of your choice. And for the lighter fare, an array of sandwiches and salads.
The food, you'll leave full. I mean, it's great. Pastas, salads. I swap back and forth just to make sure I stay slim, but it's hard to do here.
And then there's the desserts, including the cannolis, a tube-shaped Italian pastry filled with a sweet, creamy filling.
Probably my most favorite thing is the cannoli. Just love the food, love the service, and if you've met Tony, he's pretty engaging. Is that a? That's
What are you doing, Mama? How are you?
I'm good.
Good seeing you.
You too.
So,
Tony leaves the cooking to his brothers while he works the crowd out front.
you guys good? Want some more tea, buddy? Our customers, to me, they are like family, because that's how I treat them. Yeah. I just enjoy what I do. Like, I love to talk to people, I love to serve them, and that's our passion here. I like to keep them happy.
It's kind of like a comedy club. You can't go anywhere else, get good food, the service, the entertainment, and leave full and have a good laugh.
Just like home, with a family gathered around the dinner table. In Elk City, I'm Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.